Hi everyone, my name is Jeanette and I just filmed 4 haul videos back to back to back to back, and now my room that I cleaned this morning is a huge mess, and I thought it would be fun to do a video like this because like my room isn't messy because it's a mess. I cleaned it. It's just a mess because I just filmed 4 haul videos and there's stuff from the haul videos everywhere that I have to put away. So I figured this would be a fun twist on my monthly clean with me video because it's a little different. So I'm gonna show you guys a quick OOTD because I'm gonna make it a really nice vlog style video. Then I'm going to show you guys what my room looks like and we're gonna get on to cleaning it. So since I can't fit over there to show you guys what I'm wearing this Bronx Zoo hoodie and these really cute leggings from Shein or Romway, I don't know, but it's like the same thing. So this is what my room looks like. If I just take a few steps back, here's my bed from everything I filmed from my Christmas and birthday haul. Here I have a somewhat organized mess. It is all the things from my beauty supply haul, and here on my vanity I have stuff for my BoxyCharm and Ulta unboxings, and on the floor I just have some random bags and boxes from stuff. So I don't know where to start. I'm probably gonna start with the vanity, even though I should start with the bed because it's like the biggest thing. I feel like I'm gonna take it slow and start with the vanity because it'll get done the quickest. And so yeah, let's just do that. Okay, so this is what my vanity looks like. First, I'm going to take things that's garbage and put it in the garbage, and then work my way over to putting things where they belong. Well, here's my vanity, all nice and clean. Okay, next I'm gonna work on the area that's like right here. Most of these stuff that are in like the bags, that's all going into my salon that's in the basement of my house, so that I can just like leave as is and just bring downstairs. I will bring you guys downstairs, I guess, to show you guys what that looks like so you can see, and if you want a whole tour of the salon, let me know and I'll do that for you guys. But pretty much all these things, like this bag and this bag, this box, this bag right here, and then 2 things from this box, all going to the salon. So these 2 things are going to be going into the bathroom, and the mannequin heads are going to be going into the attic for storage until I use them. So then these boxes and bags turn into garbage bags. Okay, so I can walk in this section of my room now, and if you guys like watch my videos, you know that this step stool here is new. My mom bought it for my dog to get up onto my bed easier because she hurts her knees so easily, but she's afraid of the thing. She like looks at it and gets scared. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, but as of right now it's really not getting in my way. So I guess the next situation that I have to tackle is my bed. So this is my comfy. It's like a blanket sweater. I love it so much, so I just wanted to show you guys. First, I guess I'll take the bags and boxes off of the bed, so all what's left is just the things that I have to put away. And I'm gonna go category by category. First, I'm gonna put all the makeup, then the clothes, and then whatever's left, I'll do last. Alright, so now I'm gonna put all the clothes in this section area of my bed so it's easier to go through for putting things away. Now I have this makeup bag that's going to go in the vanity. And then everything else is kind of like miscellaneous things. So I'm going to put the gift cards that I have in my designated gift card drawer. I'm going to put my Switch game with the rest of my Nintendo Switch games. I'm going to make a pile, well, just these two things, so not really a pile of things I put downstairs. Alright, this candle and the candy will go on the bookshelf. And that is it for the stuff on my bed. My camera is gonna die, so I'm going to charge it, bring the stuff that goes into the basement, and then we'll finish this video. So it is the next day. By the time my camera was done charging, it was dark out. And I put back on what I was wearing yesterday because it is so cozy and I'm just gonna sit at home all day, so like it doesn't really matter. And everything from my haul video is pretty much like all put away. These are some things that I have to film to add to a haul video, so that's why it's here. But like everything is pretty much clean and put away. I know like my room isn't spotless, but compared to what it looked like before, it is so much better. And as promised, I am going to show you guys my little salon setup, but my dad is in the basement working, so I can't talk to show you guys everything, but I will give you a quick overview of the salon. I know it's a mess. I am going to clean it. If you want a video of me cleaning it, let me know. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I do hope you guys enjoyed. I thought it would be a nice little fun twist to your standard clean with me videos. Like this video if you liked it. Comment down below what other videos you would like to see. And if you're still watching at this point, obviously there's something you liked about this. And I do videos like this all the time, so you should definitely subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And with all that being said, thank you again for watching, and I hope to see you guys very soon in another video of mine. Bye!